Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this announcement video for the 2020 Halloween scavenger hunt event. I hope you haven't forgot about me yet, because I'm about to tell you that in 1 week time, on the 31st of October, we're going to be running a short Halloween event where you can potentially win a $20 pro server from us. Basically, it's a scavenger hunt event where you can explore the map on our event server and find as many Halloween themed heads as you can. The person with the most heads at the end wins. It's really that simple. Now to the prizes. There are going to be 3 winners. First place will receive a $20 account balance for a pro server, and second and third place will receive a $10 account balance for a premium server. To take part, just log in onto our event server during the time of the event with the IP in the description. Once you're there, you can start your search to find as many heads as you can. And again, the top 3 people with the most heads at the end win. We're also going to be doing some extra giveaways during the event, but you'll have to find out more information about that when the event takes place. So if you come late, don't worry, you will still have a chance to win something. The event is going to be on Minecraft Java version 1.16.3, so make sure you connect with the right version. The server is going to be in online mode, so only people with the paid Minecraft account will be able to join. The event will last 2 hours in total and is going to take place from 5 PM BST to 7 PM BST, which is UK time. If you want to find out what time the event will be in your country, I'll leave a link in the description where you can convert your time zone to see when it starts and ends for you. And the last thing is that we'll be contacting winners on Twitter, so make sure you have a Twitter account and follow us. I'll leave a link to our Twitter page in the description below. And apart from that, I hope to see you there, and thank you very much for your support. Goodbye.